If your phone has been restarting on its own, especially at the worst possible times, listen very well. Your phone is not bewitched, it's not village people, and it's not because your battery is weak. Something inside your device is failing, and if you ignore it, one day it will shut down and never come back on. Today I'm going to break down exactly why this happens and how to fix it before it becomes a bigger problem. Why this happens, real reasons nobody tells you. 1. Your phone is overheating. Most people don't know this. When your phone gets too hot, the system forces a restart to protect your battery and motherboard. This usually happens when you're using hotspot for long, gaming, recording videos for too long, or charging with a fast charger that's too powerful for your phone. In Nigeria's heat, this is even worse. The phone restarts as a survival mechanism. 2. Your battery is weak or swollen. A dying battery triggers auto shutdowns and random restarts. Why? Because the phone can't produce stable power. Signs your battery is the issue. Battery percentage jumps up and down. Phone dies even at 20 to 30%. Back of the phone feels warm even when idle. The phone restarts when you open heavy apps. 3. Your software is glitching. A lot of people ignore updates, or they install an update halfway and never finish it. Half-updated OS equals unstable system equals random restarts. This is common after upgrading to a major iOS or Android update, installing cracked apps, using third-party cleaners or boosters, running too many apps in the background. Your phone is basically confused. 4. Your storage is too full. When your phone memory is filled up, system processes can't run normally. Imagine trying to breathe, but someone blocks your nose. That's your phone when storage is full. Restarting is its way of trying to reset itself to breathe. iPhones especially misbehave when storage gets above 95%. 5. Damaged charging port or fake charger. This one shocks people the most. If your charger or port sends unstable power, your phone will keep restarting because the power flow keeps cutting off and reconnecting. This is very common with cheap chargers. 6. Hardware fault, the dangerous one. If your phone fell, got water inside, or was repaired by an amateur, a tiny board component may be loose. This leads to freezing, black screen, auto-restarting every few minutes, boot loop. This is the one you should never ignore. Your phone is warning you. How to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Check for overheating. Put your phone down for 10 minutes. Remove the case. Stop all background apps. Don't charge and use at the same time. If the restarts stop after cooling, the heat was the issue. Step 2. Free up storage. Delete duplicate videos, WhatsApp junk, screenshots, old apps. Make sure you have at least 4 to 8 gigabytes free for system processes. Step 3. Update your phone properly. Go to Settings, Software Update, download, and install fully. Don't use your phone during the update. Make sure your battery is above 50%. This fixes most software-related restarts instantly. Step 4. Remove problematic apps. Any app you installed recently before the restarting started, delete it, especially cracked apps or mod APKs. Step 5. Check your charger and cable. Use only original chargers, high-quality power banks, cables that support your phone's voltage. Fake chargers cause unstable voltage, random restarts. Step 6. Reset background processes, safe reset. iPhone, settings, general transfer / reset, reset all settings. Android, settings, system reset options, reset all settings. This doesn't wipe your files. It clears corrupted background settings causing the restart. Step 7. If battery is weak, replace it. A weak battery will never stop restarting. Get a proper battery replacement, not roadside ones. Step 8. If it's hardware, bring it to Bemi Gadgets. If your phone restarts during calls, restarts while charging, restarts when the screen is pressed, restarts after falling, then the board or battery connector may be damaged. This requires a technician, not a YouTube hack. Final advice. Random restarting is your phone begging for attention. If you treat the cause early, your phone will last longer. But if you ignore it, you'll soon wake up to a phone that refuses to power on at all. If your phone is restarting non-stop, overheating, freezing, or showing any sign of damage, bring it to Bemi Gadgets. We diagnose, repair, and replace parts with quality components only. No fake batteries, no roadside parts. Call or message us today. We'll fix it fast and correctly.